Rocks. Rocks are stones. They can break our bones. If you use a stick against a rock, you might get fire. Fire keeps us warm. Some rocks were formed by fire. They are called igneous, I think. But don't quote me on this or use it for a fact on a school project. I am not a geologist or a scientist. Rocks are used to build buildings. Rocks can be used as weapons. Ancient cultures used to write on rocks. Their art is called petroglyphs. You can have a rocky waves, yet waves are not made of stone. You can have a rocky marriage too. Some people call themselves rocky.